I've been getting so many messages of people wanting part 2. Look no further, here we go. What's going on, hustlers? Welcome back to part 2 of how to grow a meme page on Instagram. Road to 5,000 followers. You're definitely going to want to watch part 1 if you haven't watched it already. It's going to be at the top of the description. Make sure you watch that and come back to this one. So last video we got to 1,000 followers using the follow for follow method. In this video we followed another 3,000 people and now we're sitting at 2,400 followers. Big shout outs to my thumbs, because if it wasn't for them we wouldn't be right here right now. My thumbs, they put the team on the back. So from going from 1,000 to 2,400 followers, it's mostly just from the follow for follow method. In the last video, I was following 4,000 people, and in this video, I'm now following 7,000 people. Once you get to that 7,000 follower limit, Instagram's like, wait, hold on, buddy, you can't do this anymore. We're on to you. We're not going to let you follow any more people. We're going to stop you from farming followers. So what you're going to want to do is unfollow them. Psych! Instagram's got that covered too. So I didn't know this until I just tried it out. If you're like me and you can't be fucked, because it's one thing to spam follow, you just have to click their profile once and it follows them. But there's a whole nother step, like, oh my god, dude, like really? Dude, I'm not gonna sit there and click, are you sure you want to unfollow this user 7,000 times? Like, dude, I can't be fucked. You're not gonna see me doing that. So obviously the next step is to find a third-party app. So what did I do? I did that. I got a third-party app. I even bought it. I bought the third-party app for $3. As soon as I tried to unfollow everyone, what happened? I got action blocked. So now my account, I can't even like, I can't comment, I can't share, I can't really do anything. Thanks Instagram for making my account look greasy. So since the last video, guys, we've gained about 1,400 followers, and most of these followers are from people following back. Now, once you have more followers, once you're at 1,000 followers, people are more likely to follow you back than when you're at something like less than 100, you know what I mean? So the first video I followed 4,000 people and I got 1,000 followers in return, so that's 1 in 4. In this video I followed 3,000 people and I gained 1,000 followers, so it was a 1 in 3. So if you guys watch Daddy Bai, he told us how to gain on Instagram, he told us how to gain on YouTube. Basically, I'm gonna play the clip right now.
You kind of hustle your way to that 2,000 to 5,000 follower range. One of your posts blows up and suddenly your account gets exponential growth.
So like he said, you have to farm to a couple thousand followers. So once you're at a couple thousand followers, once you're established, YouTube and Instagram will then help your account. They're going to share your videos and post to more and more people. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe. Help me out on this YouTube grind. All we need is a couple thousand subscribers before YouTube starts picking up our content. Help a little boy out, please. So taking a look at my account right now, you can see that some of my posts hit explore. So we made it. We made it. You guys can go tell your mom that you hit your first 1,000 followers on Instagram. Let's go, boys. So now that my account's hitting explore, I really don't have to actively do anything anymore. So really, if I want to get my account to 5,000 followers now, all I have to do is keep posting, because if I keep posting, I'm going to gain followers from hitting explore. We made it. We made it to the top. We're end game right now. All we have to do is be consistent. So if you guys have made it to the point where I am right now, where your account is hitting explore on its own, the best tip I have for you guys is to search for content from your competitors that have the most likes, comments, and engagement. If their average post gets 10,000 likes and you see something with 15 to 20,000, repost that shit, boys. That shit's gonna do just as well on your page as it did on theirs. Now, usually for this tip, I would recommend scrolling down to the bottom of their feed, because if you're reposting new content with a lot of likes, then it's just gonna be, the meme or post is still fresh in people's minds, so if you repost something new, it's not gonna do as well as if you repost something really old. Also, if you want to take it to the next step, don't take stuff off of Instagram. Go to other theme pages on YouTube, Facebook, Vine, TikTok, whatever. Or just show a bunch of videos to your grandma and ask her which one do you think people will click on the most. All it really is after this is just trying to optimize and post the best videos. The best videos are going to get on the Explore page. When you're posting, you obviously want to throw in the 30 hashtags. You can click the card above and watch the video on how to find your right hashtags. Put a good caption, and then right below it, credit the person that posted the video, and then right under that, put follow at your account name, so that way if your posts get on the explore page, people are going to end up following you more just from that call to action. It really does work. If you don't want to put follow at your account name in the description, you can also ask a question, be like, what do you think of this, or what percent is your phone at, comment a random emoji, just something like that to get more engagement. It always works. It's not a random chance that you get on the explore page. It's about how well you can farm engagement on that using call to action. It's about reposting the best videos. Find other videos on your competitors page that have the most likes. Post once an hour to get the highest chance of getting on the explore page. Using these 3 methods, I've been able to grow 10 accounts to over 1.8 million followers total. Now, if there's any questions I didn't answer in this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below and ask any questions that you guys have. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look out for part 3, and I'll see you guys next time.